Hello, Facebook and YouTube. That thing's crooked. Let's fix that a little. Maybe that's better, maybe it's not. But today on how Hugh builds a teardrop camper on a Harbor Freight trailer. I'm going to put in the window because I need to be able to be inside of it easily and have somebody hold it on the outside. So my kid's coming over. He doesn't know he's going to help me, but he's going to hold the window on the outside while I drive some screws. And then after that, I'm going to work on putting the vent in the top. But let's do the window first. Now this one came with a little funny thing of rubber around it that hey, you can pull up over here, son.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah, pull up. Well, not all the way, but put your nose up there so the bed's over here. So the bed's like right here.
Oh, okay.
But same direction you are. Okay, this stuff sticks to itself really well, so I got to be aware of that. Do a couple of them around.
Down here for like a head blower.
You can do that. Okay, so right now, Facebook and YouTube, that's my son.
Hello.
He's going to be holding the window on the outside while I drive some screws on the inside. He's over here for other reasons. He didn't know he was going to be a clamp, but he is. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try to climb in here without showing any butt crack. That's for you, Ralph. My buddy complains that on some of my things, I show a little bit of butt crack.
Well, I've been dealing with it my whole life.
Yeah, you didn't even have a button. It still shows it's a Regalado thing. It happens. Are those ones gonna work? Damn it. Those screws aren't gonna work. Okay. Shit. That's too bad. Okay. Screw head's too fat, so I'm gonna grind those down real quick since I don't have decent metal piercing replacements on hand, and I have a helper here right now, so I need to do this. Those are smaller. I'm gonna go see if they fit. Okay, there's the inside of the window. Got a feeling that little ugly silver piece is supposed to come off, but I kind of like it. I might just leave it there just for fun. What I do have to do is figure out how to make the gap look prettier. So I don't know, I just paint it black. Might be better if I just paint it black. It'll blend in, won't notice it. Let's see what the other side looks like. There we go, that's the window, and got a smudge on it. Have to clean it. Seal's nice and tight. Looks like not really much of a gap. Wish I would have put it just a little bit more in it so it's squished out. So, but I think it'll seal. Well, hope it'll seal. Doesn't rain in California, so it'll be good. Well, that's the window. Needed longer screws, so I had to cut down some screws and drill them and make it go, so it was kind of a hassle. Anyways, out.